Hi, I'm Peter Thomas from Beverly Vacuum at 414 Rantoul Street in Beverly, Massachusetts. My phone number is 978-927-8003. This is the Miele Parquet tool, the SBB-300 series. There's also an SBB-400 series. This brush comes with several models of the Miele vacuum cleaner. You can see the bristles, you can see the wheels. This is very, very sturdy. It swivels so you can get underneath furniture. The nice thing about the Miele tools is you can use them on bare floors, pine floors, hard surfaces like tile and linoleum. You can use them on walls. They last for a very, very long time. But occasionally people lose their tool or it does wear out after a long time, and you can order this tool online from Beverly Vacuum Cleaner. My website is beverlyvacuum.com.